Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the NoroFire app to your Fire Stick in 2026. The whole process is pretty easy and will take you just a couple of moments. Now the very first step is you need to get that app called Downloader to your Fire Stick. You can get it totally for free. To do so, we'll need to go to the search on your device, open the search bar, and start typing Downloader in here. And as you can see, it has already popped out for us as a search result. So we'll click on it and give it a moment to load. And now here is that app, which you gotta get. But after you've got Downloader, it's not over yet, because you'll still need to set it up. So now in order to actually set up Downloader, we have to go to the settings. So click that menu button and then go to the settings. Open them, then the next step is going to My Fire TV, and after that you will have to turn on the developer options. But the thing is, on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote and do it fast. So let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's gonna say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. You will need to open them. Make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to the installation of unknown apps, and from here you just locate Downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So we head back to a list of apps on Fire Stick, and there is the Downloader, which you got. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing, which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN, because they're super fast, they've got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device that you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a couple of bucks per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do here in a VPN app is simply connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Finland right now. And from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video or in a description of this video, you will get 3 months of Nord totally for free, which is of course an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we go back to a list of apps on Fire Stick, and then finally locate Downloader, and let's use this application. So you open the app. Now the next step is here at the top. There's a search bar. Open it up, and now it's time to enter the code. So the code is going to be 6185176. So again, it's 6185176. That's the code you will need to enter. Then click on Go, and while it is loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Fire Sticks. And now the download of that app has already started. So we just give it a moment and wait a bit. Then click install and wait for the install to finish. After that, don't click open yet. Instead, it's better to press done, because that way you get the option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Fire Stick. So click on delete and then delete once again to save yourself the free space on your device. And now we go back to list of applications, and here is the new app which we just got. So first of all, I would recommend you to hold down the middle button on your remote now. Hold it down and this menu will appear on the right side. Click on move to front, and that way the app will always be at the very top of your application list. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. Once again, you can use a link below this video to get 3 months free of charge. And then of course, enjoy the application. See you next time. Bye bye.